the best time of the quarter is here, and I cannot wait to talk to you guys about my new package from FABFITFUN. I only started getting these boxes this year, and you guys, this has become my ultimate favorite box that I get currently. It's true, it is, because when I was first trying it, I was like, could the products be actually that good? Girl, yes. If you are looking, hold on, I gotta get into the box, for like a birthday present or a Christmas holiday gift to yourself or something you want to ask your partner for, I am obsessed with these. Not just because there are beauty options, because yes, we all love to have a great beauty option, but also I love that there are so many choices that I could get with lifestyle, clothing, accessories, cookware, beauty things. Like, the list is endless. I've gotten great blankets from this. I've gotten great like accessories. I have great skincare. All of it. My husband has definitely been like looking every time I'm picking my selection, because there's always kitchen stuff, and he is the kitchen, hope I didn't break anything, person in our house, and he's always like, oh, what are my options? And there are some warm, like, exciting things to use for the winter season. So let's get into the winter box. It's so big too. I feel like I'm boomboxing it like back in the day right now. I can't remember everything that I selected for this time around, but I do know that there are some great options for the winter months, because my husband was like, ooh, I like to cook like a warm chili and stuff. So he's got some accessories for that for the kitchen. I got some beauty things, definitely some lifestyle things. I think this is my like third box with them, and I have to say, I get so excited every time. Look how they've decorated. They always like seasonally decorate too. And look how cute that is. And yes, I have discount codes for you guys, whether you are wanting a single box or a full subscription. Again, the holidays are coming, and you should definitely be thinking about yourself too, and your loved ones, because you may not be the only one who would love a subscription like this. Okay, I gotta go for the biggest thing in here right now, and this is the thing, oh, it is the heaviest part in here. And these are pricey, but so excited. I know Adam is gonna freak out when he gets home. These are some mini round ceramic coquette sets. It's probably coquette, because that sounds like a real word compared to what was just about to come out of my mouth. And it is because it is now winter, and even though I live in a warmer state, trust that we love some like warm chili soups. My husband loves soups. So when he saw I had some options in here, he was stoked. Look how cute these are. These are for your soups. Gosh, the packaging on these is so quality, so nothing breaks. I love this. So there's a green one in here and a white one. This is adorable. It looks like it's like a little dish. Well, it is a little dish. You know those big pots of chili that you can make? That's what this looks like, but it's a mini version to help keep all of your soups and your, like, again, I keep thinking of chili because that's what I love in the wintertime. The brand is from Brock Your Body, and these are amazing. Super heavy quality too, so I know Adam is gonna be so stoked to see these when he gets home. And it is finally starting to cool off here, so pretty excited to get to use these soon. This is what I mean by like some lifestyle stuff. These are so good, but the variety, again, of options is insane. It is so hard for me every time I get the surveys that come to me. They're always like, okay, well then what would you like for this month? And I'm always like, oh my gosh, this is all so good. I literally have to start Googling to figure out which ones I want the most. And these next products came at the perfect time, and they are beauty items. I have been using all year the Olaplex shampoos and conditioners, and my hair, look how long my hair is. Look how healthy my hair is. Usually I have her curly for my videos, but I wanted to see the other day, and yes, I'm still wearing my Halloween shirt because it's fun and it's cold shoulder and it's comfy. But I have been loving how this is making my hair super healthy. Look how long it is right now. It's crazy. Now these are a little different. So this is the number 5 shampoo, and this is the clarifying shampoo. I have not gotten to try this yet, but it's supposed to still be good for your hair, because I know sometimes you think of a clarifying shampoo to like really get the dirt and grime out, but sometimes it's not great for color. This says that it's color safe, I do believe. It deep cleans, it softens, it restores shine and clarity. And the other one that I've been using all year long is amazing. I love Olaplex for my hair. I have been using it nonstop this year, and it is, like I said, I mean, the proof is in the healthiness of my hair. Love this so much. So I loved when I saw that that was in this box because I'm just about out of my Olaplex. So it's amazing. Okay, Adam loves when we get a new cleansing gel because he loves to try all of our cleansing gels just as much as I do. And Ahava was one that was being offered. And this one is a cleansing gel that is a mineral radiance. I am super excited for this. The value on all of these products is always outstanding and the brands are always super high quality. I always get introduced to things too. So I'm really excited for what I'm gonna learn through all of these. Smells nice. But again, if this isn't something that gets you like, oh, excited for it, the options are limitless. It's kind of crazy the amount of good options you have because there's some beauty things in there, but then like I said, there's also some lifestyle stuff that could be in that same combination for you. So you'd be like, oh, I don't want to pick that. I want to pick this. It's awesome. Now, I've never tried these, but your girl is on a journey to get really good hair. Not that I haven't had good hair. I feel like I do have really good hair, but I want to help strengthen it, especially at the ends. So I was really excited for the option for the Let Me Glow gummies. These are the hair, skin, and nail gummies. So I have never, ever tried a gummy. I know that they've been on the market for freaking years. I've never done them. And I'm sitting here going, you know, I'm really working on the length of my hair this year. That's been something I've been very focused on. So let's see what I can do because I want to keep, it's always very like healthy and thick up here. My stylist takes forever, poor thing, to do my hair because I have a lot of it, but I feel like it thins out a bit down here for some breakage. So I'm hoping this will help. Oh, I also got this Petitcone MD. This is the Smoothing Brightening Under Eye Cream, and y'all know I've been on a skincare like kick, especially I feel like with the way our makeup has gotten much softer. So I did get this. I haven't decided if I'm keeping this or giving this to somebody as a stocking stuffer, but how nice. And the values on these, insane. And of course, I saw that there was an option to try some Tower 28. So I'm so excited that I am getting to try 2 Juice Balm lip balms from Tower 28. Like, so excited. And look at these colors. They're so pretty. I gotta bust into them a little bit here. I do. I'm sitting here going, have I ever tried anything from Tower 28? Oh, ooh, okay. All right, we're gonna do a little swatcherooski. Ooh, this color looks so pretty. Yes, look at that. This one is the shade Mix. That looks really nice. And this one is the shade Shake. Now that I've shown you everything in the box, let's talk about savings. And you can go back and look at my other videos too if you're curious. Do I want like one box, like just to try it out? Or do I want to commit to a full year every quarter of getting these? Because you can look back at my videos and I have loved like a lot of things in these boxes. This is like seriously one of my favorite subscriptions right now. So let me talk about saving money because we love to save some money.
Now let's talk discounts. If you are going to want the annual subscription, meaning you are going to want this every quarter coming at you, you're going to use code Nichole20 gift. And that package is going to come with the seasonal boxes, 6 full-size products. You get to customize your entire box, unlimited swaps and credits, so many things. But if you're just wanting a one-off box, maybe for example, this winter box, or say there's something in the spring that you love, those boxes are normally $69.99. But if you use my code for the seasonal box, which is Nichole20, you're going to get the percentage off of that amount, and then you can select some of your items.
Save that money because again, everything in here is stuff I'm going to use and love, and I'm really appreciating that there are so many options to pick from. It's just not like 1 or 2 things, but it's like 6 things you get to pick from. I'm already too excited. I kind of want to put on a little bit of this lippy here. I really want to jump into Mix because I think this is a great color. I want to see how this looks on my lips. So I already have like a stain on from earlier today and a little bit of lipstick, but I need something a little more of a balmy. Ooh, this is nice. This is so nice. I love getting to try new brands too, because even though I've been a beauty content creator for 7+ years now, I've never tried Tower 28. I seriously can't think of a time I have. So now I get to pick them in the subscription boxes versus just kind of getting what comes to me or having a limited amount of options. So that's kind of cool, just saying. For example, this Olaplex bundle, $60 value, and I have loved these and want to keep trying other products from them. So to me, that's exciting, more so than some of the other boxes that I get. There's also jewelry in a lot of these. I did not select jewelry this time around, but I have in the past, and I have been really grateful and really excited about the pieces that I've gotten because they're good quality. But those tend to go out pretty quickly, I do believe. So if you're going to get some jewelry, kind of got to be quick on it in the beginning part of the quarter where you get to pick out your items. I will also tell you that if you end up doing the full annual year of getting your boxes, you also get to pick and customize all of your options. Whereas if you're just doing like a single box like this box, you can only pick 4, which is still an amazing amount of things to get to choose from. But wanted to put that out there for you too, if you're kind of teetering on which one of these should you do. Oh man, so much beauty in here that I have already received but are super high quality brands are like Fenty, Tarte, Iconic London. There are brands in here that even if you are mostly a beauty lover, you have so many options. But it's also nice to get some things that are a little bit more for the home, because this little duo set, again, I have another one of these in green in the box still, is $48. And I've never seen these this quality, like this heavy, substantial in the stores. At least I haven't been hunting for them too much, but I'm just saying, it's nice that it just came right to me and I got to just pick it. This under eye cream, $125 value. I'm just saying, I know sometimes when you have to kind of like weigh out what is worth what, I feel like this box, because of everything you get and the brands, the options, the wide variety of SKUs you get to pick from, whether it's beauty or lifestyle or anything, cookware, any of it, it's really awesome, really great value. So tell me, is this something that you've been considering getting for a while? Because I am so pleased with my FabFitFuns. These have been my favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys are having a great start to a new festive holiday season, and November is my birthday month. So get excited with me for some fun content coming your way, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.